With that 6, Zulu's personal score reaches to 24. One more strike and he could be retired. At the end of 4th over, Spartans are on 76 for loss of no wickets. The 5th over will be bowled by Divesh. I think RA are struggling a little bit with their bowling and field setting. The pressure game.
Hello.
Chetan Shah, Chetan Bhai is just walking from the community box. We'll have an interview with him later on. Wearing a shirt number 99. What a shot by Hiran. Put it away in a style for 4 runs. That will be called as wide by the umpire. Another wide ball from bowler. A bowler. Devesh is not controlling the ball properly. That could be another 4.
Well played.
And looks like that there is no fielder in this ground. All the balls going in the gaps. Kiran has slowly moved to 19th. And that will be another boundary. As I said, that Spartans having a dream run here. Whatever they hit, wherever they hit, the ball goes in the gaps for 4 runs or 6. Final is going in only one dimension.
That.
Towards the red. That might be another good footwork back here. Saved 3 more runs for his team. Now Zulu is on strike. With his personal score is on 24. Will he take a free hit? Decided to take a free hit. This will be free hit number 8. Well bowled by the bowler, Divesh. End of 5th over, Spartans.
91.
Score is 91.
Oh, no loss.
For loss of No wicket. Spartan is quickly moving towards their target.
Both best. देखते पहले
We have a lady commentator here who will do some commentary in Urdu or Hindi. She's a young student and she said that she's not young.
That's very funny, huh? दांत निकल जाएंगे मतलब.
The sixth over will be bowled by the star of RA Kerr. And I think he's slipping away in this crucial final. His first over gone for 26 runs and he started with a wide.
Clarification. Just one clarification. सही है. वो थोड़े.
2 balls so far have been bowled in this over. A swing from Zulu got in the gap, picked up 2 runs. With that 2 runs, Zulu's score is 26. Hit out of the ground. With that 6, Zulu's personal score is reached to 32 and he needs to be retired. Well played, Zulu.
And the team score is 100 and...
Zulu's that innings can be the winning innings for his team. The new batsman in is Hari Virani and straight away asking for a free hit. This will be the free hit number 9. What shot that smacked out of the ground. What a power. Straight away asking for another free hit. You don't have so many of those. The last free hit. The last free hit for Spartans. Another big hit. on the ground for 4 runs. The score has gone quickly to 1-1-1. The Spartans are chasing this total in a the Spartans are going in a style of just hitting everything coming in their way. Spartans have 4 more overs to score, 18 runs, and this will be over of 10. Unirich over of 10 will be bowled by Devish. Spartans need 18 more runs to win Unirich Jewelry Sergeant Hong Kong Premier League 2011. A huge crowd present in this ground. I cannot count on my fingers. One run have been scored by Hiren. Hiren's personal score have reached
26.
It was our lady commentator. Finally, she have decided to speak. भाइयों कुछ शोर मचाओ, फाइनल हो रहा है। Devish have ball.
Don't ball.
No ball.
Slow ball, and he bowled Hari Virani. That is the first wicket fall for Spartans. And another big hitter coming to bat is Bhavik. It's a huge big man, and he hit the ball as hard as he is, look like.
जी तुम्हारी कप
Bhavik.
किया इसको
Come on, guys. बच्चों
This is 6th over, 7th over. There is 3 more overs need to be bowled. This is over of 10. Only 3 fielders allowed outside of the circle. Batsman cannot ask for a free hit in this over. What a ball, and it's given out. That was swing. You can see from here, batsman couldn't move at all. The ball swing back and hit plumb in front. The drama is continue. 2 wickets have gone on 2 balls. Over of Das. That over of Das changed the course of the game for Arya. World of Diamonds. So far they were struggling in the field and struggling to bowl. This is Giovanni playing a sweep. Giovanni is the batsman who just came on the crease and played that nice sweep shot. 13 more runs required.
To win the match.
What a shot! Played over the extra cover area for 4 runs by Giovanni. With that boundary, Spartans score have reached 220.
29 runs to win.
100. 200. अब बोल गए 220.
No ball. No ball has signaled by the umpire. Azhar Ilahi. That was a waist height no ball. Well bowled by Devesh. So far he have done well in the over of Das. The uni-rich over of Das. Well played, Hiran for a single. Hiran is batting on 27. What a shot by Giovanni. He's looking in a good form, hitting everything
And the
out
team
of the ground.
required 2 runs required to win.
Spartan needs 2 more runs
To
to
win.
win. United Jewelry, Sergeant Hong Kong Premier League. Spartans need 2 more runs to win this final.
7 पे है लेकिन उसका स्ट्राइक नहीं है.
Over of Das.
Last ball.
Wow! That could have gone outside of the ground. Spartans have won the first Dustas Sergeant Hong Kong Premier League 2011. Congratulations to Spartans. They have chased these runs in a style, losing only 2 wickets. Congratulations to Spartans for winning United Jewelry. Sergeant Hong Kong Premier League 2011. The Spartans are the champions. The Spartans are the champions of United Jewelry. Sergeant Hong Kong Premier League 2011. The champions are Spartans. We will set up a stage here and there will be a presentation ceremony. I would like to invite all the teams. In just 10 minutes time, there will be a presentation ceremony.
मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा, मैंने उसको कुछ भी नहीं बोला है, वो खुद ही कुछ आगे पीछे हो गया।